Hello all. So this is a continuation of the previous video only. So within the previous video, we have made some different Python basics code. So in this video, we are going to make a continuation of some within the previous video. We have also made some descriptions for Python module. So here it will be a continuation of Python module description. So here this code, it will show the description for shutil module, which is going to do high level file operations like copying, moving, deleting and all. So this is the basic thing which is done by this shutil module. So for that, first we are importing the shutil module, and we are also importing OSNs because while moving, copying, removing any contents from the file, we have to make some path descriptions. For that, this operating system is made use to work with some interaction. So with the shutil module, we are also making use of this operating system module. Then first we are making to copy a file. For that, we are making use of the copy function from the shutil module, and this from this we are making going to copy the contents of output.txt into destination.txt, and to check whether this copying is done successfully or not, we are making use of a print function. So what this print function does is, when this copy operation is successfully completed, it will make this command file copy, and you can note this output. So here you may notice that this is the output.txt uh, uh, we are having, and this content is copied into a destination dot folder. So this here also, if we see, means we are having created a new folder while running this function. Here this thing output.txt will be found. Next, we can see this moving a file. For moving a file, we are using the move function from shutil module. So here we have copied the content to destination text. No, within that we are moving this destination text contents to a moved file dot text content. So this move file, it not only moves the contents from destination text to move file, it also deletes the destination dot text file, because basically by move operation it is totally moving, it is not cutting, it is moving. Cut means the copy will be found in the original folder also, but moving means every folder will be we are totally replacing it. No, so this move operation, it will move and also delete the folder from the original folder, that is delete the file from the original folder. So again, to check whether this operation is done correctly or not, we are making use of a print function, and this print function will make its a print action while this operation, that is move operation, is done successfully. Next, we are working with deleting a function. For deleting a file, we are making use of the remove function. So previously, if you notice, means the copying and move, we will be using from the shutil library or module. But now if you notice, means the remove, we are making use from the os module, and we are making going to remove this file. So what it will do means, it will just delete the new file which is created, and to again to check whether this operation is done successfully or not, we are making use of the print function, and this print function will make its execution once this operation is done successfully. So this is the use of the shutil module in Python. In the next video, we will work with some other module which is decimal. Thank you.